Hey friends, if you encounter Shell Experience Host high CPU usage in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, it's not very difficult to resolve this. First of all, we need to restart Windows Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and go to Task Manager. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select Restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Open the Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on this one and then select Update Drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.